Hello fam, I hope you are ready for this because you are about to hit the jackpot. In this video, I will show you one secret website that will pay you $0.01 for every paid ad that you watch. And if you stick around, I will introduce you to my own very guaranteed secret strategy that will allow you to make nothing less than $100 monthly watching paid ads. But before we delve in, if this is your first time watching my videos, my name is Kingsley aka Investor Black, and I share legit methods of making money online with proof and detailed step-by-step guides. So if this interests you, take a moment to hit that subscribe button because my videos are based on real life earnings. Okay guys, so the first website I'm going to be introducing you to is a website called PaidWork. Now, PaidWork is a website that will pay you for watching video ads. Now, you can sign up for PaidWork by visiting investorblack.com/PaidWork. Now, don't run off to go and sign up yet because you don't know how you can make money with this site. And I'm going to do a detailed review on this site so that you will be able to determine if this website PaidWork is worth your time or not. Personally, I know my own stand with this website. So I want you to also, at the end of this video, leave me a comment in the comment section if this site is ideal for you or not. So the first thing I want to talk about is the review. Then I'm going to show you the sign up process. So the review on this site is quite awesome. As you can see, this site has a 4.4 review and a lot of people are saying a lot of good things about this site. You can start with this person here. This person said app is definitely user friendly. App is definitely user friendly. Okay, this other person said app is definitely user friendly. This other person says this app is just too smart and interesting, it works smoothly. This other person said make money online by performing a simple task. Hello there, and blah 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 blah. You get the idea. So this person 5-star rating, this person 1-star rating, and this person said difficulty in withdrawing. There is no, so this person is saying that his means of withdrawal is not there. So that is also relatively a problem to some persons because obviously this is an opportunity he's missing out on. Okay, so this other person said so far this app gets my mind flowing. Okay, this other person say I highly recommend. This other person say I like the app and I would like to. This other person say this one can be said to be useful for people who want to make more money online easily. This other person said it can help in our daily uses. This other person said tasks too few. Okay, so with this you can already have an idea of the challenges being faced in this platform, but don't just run off to go and sign up yet because this is not all. So I'm going to go to SimilarWeb and I'm going to show you how the kind of traffic. If a lot of people are doing this, you know, when a lot of people are doing something, it means that that thing is to an extent legit. So I'm going to show you if a lot of people are doing this, and if you notice something from these reviews, you're going to see that these reviews are from 2 days ago, 15 hours ago. These are recent reviews. So this is not one review that was posted 10 years ago and is no longer reliable. These are things that are happening in real time. As you can see right here, this last person posted 18 hours ago. So that's one thing you need to know. Okay guys, so if I go to this website called SimilarWeb, you're going to see a lot of information about paidwork.com that is going to open your eyes and you're going to see it for what it truly is. So if I scroll down right here, as you can see, it's paidwork.com. If you scroll down right here, you can see that this website gets a total of 3.266 million views every single month. Okay, this is crazy. So it means that 3.266 million persons have been using this website to make money, and you still use this website. As you can see, most of the traffic comes from direct traffic and organic search, meaning that this is ranking well on Google and this is also being recognized. So when you see this direct traffic, it means a lot of people are returning visitors. They just went to their browsers and paid and searched for paidwork.com directly and they go to their website. Okay, so another thing you have to know is that the search terms that this is relevant to this website is earn money online, make money online, paid work, as you can see. Okay, so as you can see, the website that are referring are top domain website like Medium, these other websites as you can see, and top referring industry, the finance industry, the business industry, online marketing industry, performing arts, investing industry, and the top link destination is from Google. So Google sends most of the backlinks to this website. Now a lot of traffic comes from YouTube. Okay, a lot of traffic comes from YouTube. So these are all information that will give you an idea of whether this is legit or not. So it's no longer a question of whether this is legit or whether you're going to make money, because I'm going to log into my account in this video and I'm going to show you how much I made. I signed up just yesterday and I've been testing this app, and I'm going to show you how much I'm able to make testing this app. And if you stick with me in this video, I'm going to reveal one secret strategy I use personally to grow my account, one of my secret accounts in one secret website like that, and I make a lot of money. And I'm going to be giving you that information for free, guaranteed, and you're going to be making nothing less than $100 every single month if you follow the instructions I'm going to be leaving in that guide. So what I want you to do is don't skip any part of this video, because the information you're going to get here is going to be very important as we move on. So the next thing I want to do now that you know all this about this, is for me to log in to the account. So to get this account, all you have to do is go to your Play Store. So I can't be using my phone to do this, but this works with phone. So this is my emulator, it's an Android emulator. So all you have to do is go to your Play Store. So I'm going to click this and head over to Play Store. Then you have to search for the term paid work. Okay, so I'm going to do that real quick. So once you're on Play Store, type in the word paid work and you will see the search results. Click on the first one, paid work, and you will see this app right here. As you can see, mine is saying open because I already have it installed on my device. So all you have to do is click on install next to the app. As you can see, these are my other devices. I can also install this to my other devices if they are connected to the internet, but I'm not going to do that now. I'm going to just show you the inside of this app and how you can actually use it to the fullest of its potential. Okay, so you can also click on this app and check the reviews they have on the Google Play Store. Okay, because that is also one thing you have to also check. So it has a 4.0 star rating on Play Store, and if you scroll, you're going to be seeing a lot of comments by a lot of people. Okay, so I'm going to log into my account now. Sorry for that. So I'm going to log into my paid work. This is my paid work right here. I'm going to log into it and show you how to use it. So once you get the app installed on your phone, you see these options here. You can log in with Google, log in with Apple, log in with any account. If you don't have an account, you can click on the button that says register and put in your details and you're good to go. Okay, so I'm going to log in real quick. Click on sign in. So I'm in, guys. So as you can see right here, I have over $0.05 from this account, and I'm going to be showing you how to earn. But before I do that, let me quickly show you around this. So over here we have the top menu bar. We have our dashboard where you can see like an overview of this app and see how much you're earning, your withdrawal, your last withdrawal, and you can even click on the withdraw button to withdraw money. Okay, so the next tab is the end tab. So if you click on the withdraw button, as you can see, you've reached 2% of payment threshold. The minimum payment is $10. So once you get up to $10, you can withdraw this money. And I didn't even do much to get this 0.05. Ignore this naira you're seeing here, is actually dollars. So it's because of my country is chosen as Nigeria, that's why it's showing naira, but it's actually dollars. So the next thing you want to do next is to check the referral program. Now a lot of people don't know that this referral program is one easy way to make a lot of money. If you copy this affiliate link and you go to Facebook groups about making money online and you share this, you are going to be making money on autopilot, because a lot of people have time, a lot of people have data, and they will be clicking and watching ads, and you'll be making a percentage of what these people are making. Okay, so invite a friend, earn money on paid work. If this person makes their first payout, you both get $10 for free. Have you seen that? So the day that person will withdraw his own $10, you withdraw $10. So imagine if you've referred like 50 persons and those 50 persons are withdrawing $10. You're going to be making a lot of money. So this already is a gold mine. Okay, this already is a gold mine. But that's not even what this video is about. Remember, this video is about watching ads, but this is just one avenue to make money online. So we also have the earn area, and this is where you make money from. So if I click on the earn area, you're gonna see different avenues of making money online. They can pay you to play games, pay you to fill out surveys, pay you to watch videos, pay you to shop online, and pay you for micro tasks. So we are gonna start with watching videos, since this is what this is about. And you remember, the money in my balance is $0.05. So after watching this video, let's see if it's going to top up or not. So to watch videos, all you have to do is click on this blue button that says earn. You'll be taken to this next page where you will be paid to watch videos. As you can see, if I watch a video right now, this is what they say I can earn: $0.50 to $10, okay, for watching videos. You need to watch 30-second videos ads after clicking start. Okay, watch videos, a new video will appear after 30 seconds. You will be paid for watching the video. If you close an ad or window during monetization, you won't earn. So these are the rules. You have to watch it to the end until they ask you to close it by themselves. If you close it and you don't complete it, you will not earn. So don't do that, so you don't waste your effort. So now I'm going to click on watch. So as you can see, watch video for 30 seconds and receive 0.6 points. So I'm going to click start watching video. So as you can see, it is showing me this first video and this second video, and it will auto play in few seconds. So as you can see, the ad has started playing. So if you go to the top right, you will see top left corner, you see the countdown. This is showing for 54 seconds. So it has started showing other ads. As you can see, it's showing the second ad, and now it's showing me the close button. So that means I can close this right now and receive my reward. So I'm going to close that. Okay, now it's going to show me more videos, so I'm going to just wait for it. As you can see at the bottom, it says you watched the entire video correctly and received 0.6 points at the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to click start watching videos again. So you can do this over and over and over and over and over again. Now imagine if you have like an app that clicks watch videos over and over automatically. What do you think will happen? Autopilot money, right? So that's one method you can actually use to make money. So if you want to know the app that will allow you to click automatically and watch video, all you have to do is leave your phone on and it will watch and exhaust the videos for the day without even you being there. Then leave a comment. I'm interested in the comment section, and I'm going to make another video on how to achieve that. So I'm going to pause this video. Once this ad is done, I'm going to close it. Then I'm going to show you how much I'm making. So the ad is done now. So I'm going to click on this X button here to close it. So I've closed the ad. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard to show you how much I've made. So guys, as you can see on my dashboard, I've already made $0.02 from watching those few ads I just watched right in front of you. Now, how can you withdraw this money? What are the withdrawal methods that they accept on this platform? So I'm going to click on withdraw. I'm going to show you that real quick. So all you have to do is click on this button that says add payment method. So you can see that they allow you to withdraw your money through bank account or PayPal account. So if your country does not support PayPal, a video will be popping up right now at the top right corner of your screen that will show you exactly how you can get a PayPal account that can't be blocked. if you also want to use bank account, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. So I'll show you how to get an ACH account that you can use with this. Okay, so there's no need to worry yourself about it. So once you have gotten your bank account details or your PayPal address from the tutorial I'm going to be sharing, then you can come and put it here and withdraw your money easily. So now you know about this platform and you know the rate. So as you can see, I've watched like 4 videos and this was how much I was able to make, and I need to watch up to like 100% to make $10. So what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Is this worth your time? Is this worth your time? Can you spend all day watching people's ads and being paid peanuts? Well, personally, I don't think this is worth my time. Yes, I don't think this is worth my time, because there's a better way to get paid watching ads. But I'm not going to be sharing that on YouTube because I don't want it to get saturated. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video, and it's completely free. You don't have to pay me a dime to get access to this update. You don't have to pay me a dime to get access to this update. It's a secret and not a lot of people know about this, and this has allowed me to make over 100,000 naira every single month using that method, and I'm going to be sharing it with you for free. So if you're interested in that, for those of you that are outside Nigeria, if you want to know how much 100,000 naira is, it's about $100 every single month, a minimum of that. There are months where I make up to $1,000 plus using this method, and it's something that is sustainable, something that will stand the test of time. So if you're interested in that, check the first link in the description of this video and you will end up in my WhatsApp DM. If you're interested, let me know, hit me up. Have a nice day and I love you guys. Bye.